Want to know how you can actually create YouTube Shorts videos and make a lot of money with YouTube ads revenue? Then, you just need to stick on and watch this video to the end, because we'll be using an amazing AI tool called Fliki AI to help us with that. So let's dive right in. As you can see, I'm on the homepage of Fliki AI right now, which is fliki.ai. Once you come onto this platform, you'll find out that it's a platform that you can just simply utilize to generate video content by converting your text into videos, ideas into videos, Twitter tweets into videos, blog post, and a lot more cool stuffs into videos. You can see that you could transform your ideas into stunning videos with AI video generator. As it is easy to use the text-to-video editing features like voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and a wide range of AI-powered features. Here's actually some of the features available, which are the text-to-video, ideas-to-video, text-to-speech, blog-to-video, Twitter tweet-to-video, product-to-video, and a lot more other cool stuffs. Now you could also check out the use cases, which are individuals that utilizes this platform. And they include content creators on platform like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and a lot more. Also, marketing and social media personnels, e-commerce, business and corporate, education and e-learning, and the localization and translation are some use cases for the AI tool. Now if you do come right here, click on pricing, you'll be able to see much more details about the pricing structure of this particular platform. You need to take note of this, guys. If you're purchasing a plan, this is the minimum you can actually go on to purchasing, which is $21 per month if you're going through the yearly 25% off. If you're going through the monthly section, you're going to be paying $28 monthly. You can sign up right here for free, and here are some of the features of the free account available on this platform. So once you do sign up and log into your account, you'll be brought to a page such as this, of which you can simply click on New File. Give your file a name. I'm gonna name it something like test, and if I do name it test, you want to make sure that you select video, the language of your preference, and the dialect right here. If you want to utilize a clear United States voice, you can just simply select that. You can select the aspect ratio. Since you actually do intend on creating YouTube Shorts, you want to make sure you're selecting the 9:16, which is actually the acceptable aspect ratio that you need to go on to utilizing the video as a YouTube Shorts. Now you can actually start with either script, blog, post, ideas, PowerPoint presentation files, Twitter tweet, or products. You can just simply convert them into cool and amazing videos right now. To do so, I'm just going to select the script or empty file, and click on Submit right now. Once I actually do click on Submit, the page is going to load up, and I can just simply insert my text prompt now. You can just simply go to a new tab right here, and you just need to go to ChatGPT. So if I do go to the website called ChatGPT right now, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write an article, or I'm just going to write a very short article on family. And if I do come type in something like this right here, I'm just going to go on to inserting or clicking on enter, and this particular AI tool called ChatGPT is going to help me create a script for my video. I can copy the script right now, head back to Fliki AI, and just simply paste in the script in this particular text section. You can see it says you are pasting a large text. Do you want to continue? I'm going to click on yes, or continue. What is going to be done right now is that my script is going to be split into various scenes, and a very cool video that actually fits the script of a scene will be selected. Right now, you could take a look at this right here. This is actually the first scene showing something like a family bond. In this section, you can see the voiceover actor that is being utilized right now. You could add in background music from stock, you could add from library, you could add from your favorite. You could select the voice actor which you want to utilize for your videos right now. As you can see right now, this particular word says Christopher. You can just simply select that, and you'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing paid voices that you can just simply leverage for yourself only. So once you do check out how cool they are, select the one suitable to you and click on apply that right now. You could apply that for all scenes, and just simply click on save. Once you click on save, guys, the next thing which you want to do is to go on to checking out how cool each and every video of every scene is. Whether or not the video matches the scene. You can change the video by just simply selecting the video right now, and select any other videos that's suitable for the scene right here. You could upload from your device. You could even generate and check out your favorite. Same thing can be done for images. Once you've successfully changed the scene, you can see that the video is about 1 minute and 14 seconds long. You just need to go on to editing the video to make sure that the video does not exceed 1 minute long right now, because we actually intend on creating a YouTube Shorts video. Once you're done with all these, you can click on More, and see much more details such as pronunciation map, translate, and language editor. You can check out the settings right now, and guys, for the settings, you want to just leave this on video. You can edit the gap between scenes, edit the aspect ratio, and enable the fade effect between scenes. Or you could actually leave that turned off. Once you are done with all these, click on the download icon to start downloading the video on your device. And if you've done that, guys, since this is actually nice, and you did reduce this content to something less than 1 minute long, you're just simply going to go on to promoting that on platforms like YouTube to make money online. The more you do this, guys, the more you get better in creating cool and amazing quality videos. So just generate as many videos as you can as a YouTube Shorts, and just simply go on to promoting that on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. But make sure that before downloading, that you always need to make sure that from the settings section, you are always on the portrait, which is 916. And if you download that, you'll have successfully created a simple YouTube short video that you can just utilize anytime which you actually do want to make money online. And if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.